Hello, and welcome to the sixth edition of Chokstuff Weekly thing. And this is probably the first time I'm actually doing it on Wednesday, as you can see. Oh, it says Wednesday anyway, so yeah. So I pretty much run out of things to show, but last week I got a request for fridge reveals, so let's go do that. So yeah, you got this fridge. I don't know if you saw it on last week's one, but you definitely didn't see inside. So let's look at it. Whoa! Wow! Look at all this stuff. Wow! That's amazing. And then you got this freezer thing. Wow! Meat and bread. So exciting. And then you got this other freezer. Whoa. More stuff. Wow. Wow. That's amazing. You got some things here. I don't know what they're called. And yeah. I hope all your quarantine times are going well. I know this should probably be longer because I got nothing else to do, but I'm not very good at this, so I'm not good at making new content or thinking of new things to do. Okay. Have a good week, and yeah. Goodbye.